Greetings! Welcome to Geometry Puzzles, a series of videos on problems and puzzles in geometry. This is problem number 9. Take a triangle ABC. Draw squares on two of the sides as shown below. Show that the centers of the squares are equidistant from the midpoint of the third side. So our task is to show that PM is equal to QM. We have to show that PM is equal to QM. So how do we do this? Fantastic problem. One way to do this is as follows. We make a few constructions which I have made over here. We drop a perpendicular from P on AB at J, and we drop a perpendicular from Q to BC at K, and we will prove that triangle PJM and triangle QKM are congruent. This is what we will show, and that PM and QM are equal. PM is equal to QM will follow. So let us begin our proof of these two triangles being congruent. So from symmetry we can show that point J is the midpoint of BA. Point J is a midpoint of BA, that is to say these two are equal. And if we connect PB, if I connect PB, then this angle will turn out to be 45 degrees, because P is the center of the square. It is the center of the square. So it lies on the bisector. Sorry, it lies on the diagonal. It lies on the diagonal which bisects the angles, and therefore PBJ is 45. So if this is 45, this has to be 45 as well, because this is 90 degrees, which implies that PBJ is an isosceles triangle, and that PJ is equal to BJ. So we further have this PJ is equal to BJ is equal to JA. So this is one equation. Likewise, QK is perpendicular to BC, and by symmetry it can be shown that K is the midpoint of BC. That is to say BK is equal to KC, and a similar argument as before follows that QK is also equal to BK, and further to KC. So we have QK is equal to BK is equal to KC. Now J is the midpoint of BA as mentioned earlier, and M is the midpoint of AC given in the question. M is the midpoint is given in the question. So J is the midpoint, M is the midpoint. So from basic proportionality theorem we have JM parallel to BC. JM is parallel to BC. Similarly, K is the midpoint of BC, M is the midpoint of AC. So KM is parallel to AB. So what do we have here? We have quadrilateral BJMK as a parallelogram. Quadrilateral BJMK is a parallelogram, therefore, from these two. So, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So, we have JM is equal to BK. We have JM is equal to BK. And BK is equal to QK. BK, where do we have? BK is equal to QK, yes. BK, let me use a different color. BK is equal to QK. So this BK can be written as QK. So we have JM is equal to QK. Let this be 1. JM is equal to QK. Further, the other pair of opposite sides of the parallelogram are BJ, which is equal to KM. Opposite sides of a parallelogram. But BJ is equal to PJ. From this, BJ is equal to PJ. So this BJ can be written as PJ. So we have PJ is equal to KM. Let this be equation 2. BJ is equal to KM. So what do we have here is we have shown, let me just take a diagram and make clear what two things we have shown to be congruent. We have shown PJ, which is this, equal to KM, which is this, and we have shown JM, which is equal to this, equal to QK, which is equal to this. So if we show that angle PJM is equal to angle QKM, if we show this, then these two triangles will be congruent by SAS test, side angle side. So an angle between two congruent sides is equal, then SAS test will follow. So how is PJM equal to QKM? And the answer is yes. In angle PJM is equal to 90 degrees plus AJM, angle AJM, and angle QKM is equal to 90 degrees plus angle CKM, and if you notice that AJM is equal to CKM, then this is true. AJM is equal to CKM. That is to say, this angle AJM, this angle is equal to CKM, this angle. It is easy to prove. One can argue that let this be angle be called A, let this be B, let this be C, and let this be D. A plus B is equal to C plus D is equal to 180 degrees. Is equal to 180 degrees, linear pair. And opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. That is B and C are equal. So if B and C are equal, then they get cancelled, and you have A is equal to D. That is AJM is equal to angle CKM. So if AJM and CKM are equal, then we have this as equation number 3. So from equation 1, 2 and 3, we have triangle PJM is congruent to triangle QKM by SAS test. SAS test. And therefore PM is equal to QM. And hence we show that the centers of the squares are equidistant from the midpoint of the third side. Thank you for watching.